Teachers from across the U.S. and Canada have used clickers with great success. Charles Graham, Senior National Director of Academic Operations of Lincoln Educational Services, writes that,
"Your product has injected a new level of fun and excitement into the classroom that our students truly enjoy. The fact that your product enhances the learning process by providing instant feedback to our instructors is often overlooked by the casual learner because the students are having so much fun in the process. From the instructor's perspective, this is a huge win, as now they can accurately measure the amount of learning that is occurring in the class without the need for a test or quiz. The return on our investment in clickers has been significant. To say that your product is a great deal would be the understatement of the year."
Adds Dennis Riggs, an instructor at Heritage Institute in Fort Myers.
Clickers has made such a difference in my classroom. It's so much easier to keep the attention of students who are connected to the fast pace of cell phones, text messaging, and instant access to almost anything via the internet. They all love the first response program. It meets their competitive nature and it keeps the excitement in the classroom.
Michelle Onstadt writes,
"As a student at Heritage Institute, I have undergone several different study and learning techniques. I think that Clickers has been the most fun and effective way of learning and studying. It has proven a great way of completing group competitions without the taunting of other students for a wrong answer, making the experience fun instead of embarrassing. This allows students to learn more and stress less. I also enjoy the PowerPoint presentation with the Clickers. It reiterates the information that we have just gone over and helps make it stick. It also allows our instructors to see our comprehension of the subject at the end of the presentation. I understand my lectures a great deal more and feel confident when it comes to tests."
Matthew Johnson, president of Santa Barbara Business College, adds that,
"Working with Clickers, the product and their team is great. The Clickers presentations are really easy to set up, use, and engage students in sound learning while having great fun. Today's learners need interactive, engaging environments, and Clickers is a tool that really provides everything to keep learning alive."